Hello students, today's our topic is sex determination. Sometime a question arises in your mind, we all are made up of a single cell, why we have two different kind of gender? We all are diploid organisms and all the genes are conveyed by chromosome, which are also known as hereditary vehicle, on which genes are found in the linear way. We have all the genes which can perform almost similar function in male as well as in female, but we have different kind of anatomy as well as some physiology. This is because of these hereditary agents, because we have these different chromosomes. Now the question can come, all the chromosomes are made up of DNA, and that DNA is, although it's different in every organism, but this one is the polymer of nucleotide. Now question can be arise like this, is there any change in the arrangement of nucleotide that recognize that what will be the gender of organism, or there is a fixed pattern of the gender in every species? Then the answer is, we have different kind of chromosomes which are responsible for the gender. In every organism, two different kind of chromosomes are found. The first one is called as autosome. These are common to all. That means these are found in male and female both. You can define them as chromosome which can control somatic features. Are known as autosomes. These are also known as somatic chromosomes. These are common to all. While the second category of chromosome is known as allosomes or heterosomes. Chromosome those determine sex or gender of organisms are known as allosome or heterosome. And because of that, these are also known as sex chromosomes. If we talk about human beings, we have 44 chromosomes which can control our somatic feature, while rest of the 2 chromosomes can determine our gender are known as allosomes. These 44 chromosomes are quite similar in male and female, while these 2 chromosomes are quite different in male and female. That's why they can recognize the gender of organism. Here in the female, 2 X chromosomes are found, while in human male, 1 X and 1 Y chromosome is found. So our karyotype, that means the expression of male and female, that can be written like this. Female can expressed as 44 plus XX, while male can be represented as 44 plus XY. How these chromosomes are responsible for sex determination, or you can say how sex determination is done in human beings let's talk about. But before starting the sex determination in human beings, I want to write one more information for you. This one is about discovery of sex chromosome. These sex chromosomes are first of all seen, or you can say discovered, by McClung. And these are first observed in grasshopper. Now you can understand these kind of sex chromosomes are not only found in human beings, but these are also found in various kind of animals as well as in plants. But they have different kind of sex determination way. One more information is X chromosome was first of all discovered by Hanking. And actually Y chromosome is a type of X chromosome. You can say it's a specific kind of X chromosome which lost its one arm, and that's why it's appear Y in shape. And one more specific gene is found for male characteristic feature, that is called as TDF, testis determining factor. That's why testes are formed, and this one is organism is expressed as male. Now let us start about the type of sex determination. Sex determination can be done by sex chromosomes, or this one can be done by various other factors like temperature, attachment with female, type of food, type of fertilization, etc. Here we only discuss about the sex determination which is done by sex chromosome. In the way of allosomal sex determination, we will discuss about XX, XY kind of sex determination. This type of sex determination is first of all observed by Wilson and Stevens in ligase insect. So it's also known as ligase type of sex determination. Start the sex determination which is found in human being. This one is called as XX female and XY male kind of sex determination. As I told you earlier, in the human beings, total 46 chromosomes are found which are represented as 2n or diploid or two set of chromosomes. In these 46 chromosomes, 44 chromosomes are autosomes and rest of the 2 chromosomes are allosomes. In this type, you can say these 2 allosomes can represent as XX in female and XY in male. Then you can say female is homogametic because she formed same kind of gametes, while male is heterogametic because during gamete formation male will form two different kind of gametes. Now this one is expressed in human being like, if I express male, In a symbolic way, male can be written like this. And here I am going to write about female, and the symbol is this. Male can be expressed as 44 plus XY, that is expressed as heterogametic condition, and female is expressed as 44 plus XX, that denotes to homogametic condition. Now when gametes are found, these are further classified as male will form two different kind of gametes which are expressed as, we know very well, gametes are always haploid in nature. So this one is expressed as 22 plus X, and another gamete should be 22 plus Y. While in the case of female, she will form same kind of gamete which are 22 plus X and 22 plus. This one expressed to the karyotype of human beings, while this one is expressed as gamete, which are, we know very well, haploid in nature, so expressed as an. And the next step should be fusion of gamete, that is also known as fertilization, in which this one can fuse with this. This can also fuse with another gamete. Same here, this gamete can fuse with another gamete of male, or this female gamete can fuse with another female gamete. And these are expressed as, by the first fusion of male and female gamete, we will get 44 plus XX kind of configuration, while in the next step again 44 plus XX kind of configuration we will get, while the next fusion is expressed as 44 plus XY. And if the 22 plus X female gamete or egg will fuse by the sperm that contains a Y chromosome, then it's expressed as 44 plus XY. By the fusion we will get these kind of configuration. Now you can categorize the gender of the offspring. Here this offspring should be a female, again this one should be a female, while this one is a male, and this one is a male child again. So this one will be a girl, and this should be a girl, while these are boys. Now you can recognize that the gender of any offspring or child is here determined by male parent, because this one contains the verified segment or verified chromosome, that is Y factor. So whenever whatever parent is heterogametic, that will determine the gender of the offspring. So this is about XX, XY kind of configuration. I would like to write the example here. I can also write here found in human being. Now let us start. As I am telling you, the heterogametic parent always determines the gender of the offspring, and here I write that XX, XY type of sex determination, where XX is female, XY is male. Then another question that can arise in your mind, ma'am, is there any change in this kind of configuration? A male can be expressed as XX and a female can be expressed as XY. If this question arises in your mind, then my child, you are correct. Somewhere the opposite kind of sex determination is also found, but where? Let us talk about this. So the second category is where XX is represented as male and XY is represented as female. So this is called as XY female and XX male. Here you can write, along with the autosomes, some allosomes are found where female is heterogametic In this case, you can see female is heterogametic, so expressed as XY, while male is homogametic and expressed as XX. This kind of sex determination is found in butterflies, reptiles, birds, fishes, etc. You can see how diversified is life. Butterfly contain XY female, XX male kind of sex determination, while in Ligas insect and other insect also, XX is female and XY is male. So right now I am going to start the sex determination in butterfly. Then I don't know how many chromosomes are found in butterfly or what kind of species I talk about. So this can be expressed as AA as autosome plus, now I should write the 6 chromosomes. 6 chromosome, if I write XX, that means this one will be the male of the species member, whether I talk about butterfly or bird or reptile or any kind of fish. So a common example I can take. While female is expressed as AA, A stands for autosome, and the 6 chromosomes are XY. Now let us talk about. Now here you can see male can form a same kind of gametes, and the gametes will be A plus X and another will be A plus X, same for male, that's why it's called as homogametic condition, while different for female, A plus X and A plus Y. In the next step, fertilization is done, that is also called as fusion of gamete. Now you can say the sperm of this male can fuses with the ovum of female that contains X chromosome, or this can be fused with another ova that contains a Y chromosome. On the basis of that, the product will be that can be expressed as AA plus XX by the first fusion and AA plus XY by the second fusion. This another sperm of male that can fuse with the ova A plus X, or it can also fuse with another ova that contain a Y chromosome. Then the product will be again AA plus XX for the first fusion and AA plus XY for the next one. Now this expression is for correct male, while the another expression this one is for a female, while this one is expressed as a male again, and that species member will be a female. This one is found in birds as well as reptiles, fishes and butterflies, and the expressions are just before a few, where male is homogametic in nature while female is expressed as heterogametic condition. Later on, to remove confusion from here, this kind of expression is also called as ZZ-ZW kind of configuration. ZZ-ZW type of sex determination, where ZZ stands for male and ZW for female. Thank you everyone.